Green Card new requirements for 2026. Major changes ahead. Today we're talking about the new Green Card requirements for 2026. Music. What's changing? What's tightening? And what it means for families, workers, and students trying to make America their home. So, if you're planning to apply next year, music, listen carefully. Let's jump in. The Green Card. More than just a card. A green card isn't just a piece music of plastic. It's permanent residency, the right to live, work, and build a future in the United States. You can qualify through a family music sponsorship. Employment-based categories EB1 through EB, music, 5 refugee or asili status, or the diversity visa lottery. But here's the music problem. There's a cap every year and the backlogs are brutal. For some, it's a wait of years. For others, more than a decade. That's why music, every policy change matters. Even a small rule tweak can decide whether your dream moves forward or freezes for another music year. What's new for 2026? The big updates. Let's break music down, what's changing right now and what's coming next. 1. Mandatory medical exam with form, music. I-485, starting February 2025, USCIS now requires that you submit music your medical exam form. I-693 together with your adjustment of status application. No more waiting to send it later. Why? Because late medical caused thousands of delays. Now, no form, no processing. Pro tip, get vaccinated, get music screened, and keep your paperwork clean. It'll save months. 2. Tougher path from green card to citizenship. If you already have a green card and are planning to naturalize, brace yourself. From October 20th, 2025, the civics test gets harder. More history questions, more government structure, and a deeper check on your moral character, your record, your community work, and music, even your financial responsibility. This applies to anyone filing in 2026. Clean. Background, you're fine. Music. Anything questionable, fix it now. 3. Alien registration and fingerprinting rules. New executive orders now make registration and fingerprinting mandatory at age 14. That means if you're under 14 today, the moment you turn 14, music you must register, get fingerprinted, and file Form I-90 within 30 days, no exceptions. It's about national security, but it adds new paperwork. And music, if you miss it, you could face fines or even denial on renewal employment-based green cards. Especially EB2 for advanced degree professionals hit their cap early in 2025. For 2026, that bottleneck will tighten expect pause processing until October 1st each year, pushing the backlog over 11 million applications. If you fall in this category, focus on national interest waivers, NIWS or EB1 routes where possible, music, because the queue for EB2, it's not moving fast. Here's some good news. Entries for DV. Music 2026 closed last year, but winners have until September 30th, 2026 to complete their process. Low immigration countries get priority, and there are 55,000 spots up for grabs. If you miss this year, no worries. Next round opens in fall 2025. Music. Just remember, the application is free. Don't fall for scams charging you to guarantee a win. Major immigration reforms on the horizon. 2026 won't just be about forms and fees. Big policy battles are coming, and they could reshape how America handles immigration altogether. United States The Dignity Act of 2025, introduced by Representative Maria Alva Salazar. This bill packs a $10 billion boost for border security and port modernization through 2030 music. But the big headline, it raises per-country green card caps from 7% to 15%. That's huge music for India, China, and other high-demand nations. It also offers paths for dreamers and long-term undocumented residents to earn status through education or work, still in committee, but a real game-changer if it passes in 2026. Registry update proposal. Senator Alex Padilla has pushed a bill to expand green card eligibility for up to 8 million migrants who've been in the U.S. since before 2022. If passed, it would grant retroactive status to millions living in legal limbo. It's a potential lifeline, but faces strong pushback in Congress. Bottom line, don't count on it yet. Watch closely. Family-based vetting enhancements. USCIS is upgrading its fraud detection systems for family petitions. That means more documents, longer interviews, and more cross-checks in 2026. These changes aren't meant to discourage families, but they will slow down timelines. If you're filing for a spouse or a relative next year, prepare for extra questions and proof requests. How to prepare for 2026. Music. You can't control policy, but you can control preparation. Here's your 2026 checklist, straight from Border Drip USA. 1. Get your docs ready early. Passports, birth certificates, medical records, and vaccinations. Music. Don't wait for an RF. 2. Track the visa bulletin each month at traveledstate.gov. Know when you can file and when your priority date is current. 3. Budget for higher fees. H-1B. Petition fees are expected to jump to around $1,000 or more in some cases, and other forms could follow. 4. Avoid immigration scams. Nobody can fast-track a green card. Stick to official USCIS sources. 5. Consult an accredited attorney for complex cases. The rules are changing fast. 6. Don't miss deadlines. Late registration or missing the eye. 693 medical can mean denial or, in some cases, deportation risk. Stay vigilant. Stay organized. Stay ahead. Common pitfalls to avoid: sending incomplete forms without signatures, submitting old versions of I-485 or I-130, forgetting translation certifications for foreign documents, not updating address with USCIS after moving, ignoring requests for evidence deadlines. Every one of these mistakes can delay your case for months or kill it completely. Double-check everything before you file. Final takeaway. The green card requirements for 2026 are a mix of tightening rules and new opportunities. Medical checks, fingerprinting, stronger vetting, but also potential relief if the Dignity Act and Registry Bill move forward. The goal, according to official sources, music is to balance security and humanity. For you, it's about staying alert and ready because immigration rewards those who prepare early. Your move. Which of these changes hits you the hardest? The medical rule, the citizenship test, the EB-2 backlog? Tell us in the comments. Your voice matters. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a Border Drip USA update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay informed, stay strong, and stay ready for America 2026.